Japanese light car, Cervo channel. Hello everyone.
Today we will do daily maintenance of kei-cars. The main items are oil, coolant, battery fluid, brake fluid, and check the remaining amount of each. All the parts of a light car are small, so the burden of running is heavy. First, open the bonnet. The things to prepare in advance are one old towel and wearing work gloves. The reason you wear gloves is to protect yourself from injury. Please be sure to wear it. The oil volume is approximately 0.79 gallons. The volume should not be too much or too little. Be sure to put in the correct amount. Also check the smell of the oil. Replace if it smells burnt and the color of the oil is brown. The standard is to replace the entire amount after driving 1860 mi. Check the remaining amount of coolant. Light cars have a higher rotation speed than general vehicles, so if the coolant is low, the engine will seize and break down. Check back periodically. Also check the battery level. If the amount is less than the specified amount, top up with special liquid or distilled water. Finally, check the brake fluid. The brake fluid itself will not leak, but the level gauge will decrease as the brake pad level decreases. Replace the brake pads without topping up the brake fluid. Replacing the brake pads restores the amount of brake fluid remaining. If by any chance it does not return, please consider adding brake fluid. I will also check the air filter if I have time. If the engine is equipped with a turbocharger, it may become dirty due to blow by gas. Wipe the dirt off with a towel from time to time.
Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video today.